Alright, hey guys, wanted to show you how we can play around with SQL and GPT-3. So this is an OpenAI open source library. So you can kind of give it a text prompt and it'll give you something in response. So we're just going to start out and we're going to using SQL create a table of users with a name and major. So let's see what we get back. So perfect. We get this create table users with a name and a major. So I went ahead and created a new table. And here I'm using Table Plus, but you can use any Postgres client or any database GUI. So let's create an SQL statement. So we're going to insert our table of users. So now if I reload this, I have a table of users. So now I'm going to say using SQL, given a table of users with a name and major, create 10 random users. Alright, so hopefully this works for us. So we're just going to run another SQL statement. And you see that I'm only running this because this is the only one highlighted. Alright, so now let's reload our user table. Perfect. We got users with names and majors. Alright, so the one thing I'm going to do is so we can do just about anything here, but I see I have a lot of users that start with the name, their name starts with J. So I'm just going to try and run that. So I'm going to say, given a table of users, we're going to say find users where the name starts with J. Alright, so I tried to add this older than 30 for some reason, but we can just get rid of that. Alright, so let's run this SQL statement and see what we get. Alright, so we got John, and can't zoom in on this. So I got John, Jane, and Joe. So that's pretty cool. We didn't do a whole lot here. And we'll see that SQL the big thing here is we say given a table of users, and we're saying using SQL. So we're giving it these two context clues that help it kind of work with the mess.